In today's video, I'll show you how you can outline a text in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So here we are in DaVinci Resolve, and from here, we're going to add a text. First, to do that, go into the Effects tab, and then go here into Titles when this menu pops up, and then you can now choose the text that you'd want. For example, I'm just going to go for a basic text, which is this one right here. Drag it into my timeline just like so, and I'm just going to go and cut it like that. Now I'm going to go and edit text in here. So I'm going to go for a sample. Now let's select the text clip right here in our timeline and navigate here into the Inspector tab, and then you should have it like this. Now you can edit the text in here also, or you could also go for the font color and other things. But what we would want to look for right here is that we have the stroke here at the bottom. So this is where you'd be able to add an outline or stroke. So as you can see here, I'm gonna bump up the size value, which is this one. So I'm gonna use this slider, and then you'd now be able to see that I will now get that stroke or outline, but it's too small. So I'm gonna go and bump up the size for the text right there, just so that you'd be able to see, and then go back into stroke and then bump up the value again right here. And as you can see, we now have that outline or stroke. And then you could also go for outside only, because currently, as you can see, that it is also affecting the inside of the text. Now, when I check this for outside only, you'd now be able to save this space, or the inside of the text or shading will not be affected. And then you can now just bump it up, and then you'd be able to get this outline. Now, if you would want to change the color of the outline, just simply click here on the color right here. And then you'd now have this color palette that you can choose from. For example, I'm going to go with the red and click on OK. And as you can see, the outline color has now been changed. And that's basically how you can do this. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.